Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to manage deliveries on the Shop app. If you use the Shop app to track your online purchases, you can easily manage all of the deliveries. Firstly, open any of the browser. In the top there is this address bar, type down shop.app and enter it. And once you're inside this homepage, what you need to do is you need to go to your profile icon in the bottom left. And from here you need to go to this orders. So over here, select the order that you want to manage to open its tracking page. From here, you can find all of the products ordered and you can view the latest shipping status, estimated delivery date, tracking number, and shipping carrier. And you can inform about the shipment, enable notification when prompted. You will receive alerts when your package ships, is out of delivery, or has been delivered. And that is it. That's how you can manage deliveries on the Shop app. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.